Hi there. Welcome to this new Python GUI programming course. Today, we will learn about tkinter, how to create a tkinter app that will replace any word in a document automatically and replace all given word occurrence by new word code. This is the code in Sublime Text. First, we need to import all required packages or built-in libraries in Python. This is an illustration of an anchor. What is anchor? What it is used for. Don't worry right now about it. It will be more explained and used a lot in the course. This is the whole code. Try to type it by yourself to train your brain and memorize by typing all programming stuff and keywords of Python's specific functions and tkinter components names. What is tkinter? Tkinter is the standard GUI library for Python. Python, when combined with tkinter, provides a fast and easy way to create GUI applications. Tkinter provides a powerful object-oriented interface to the tGUI toolkit. Creating a GUI application using tkinter is an easy task. To run the code, just type python 3 filename.py in command line tool. I use Ubuntu terminal, so this command is easy to use. This is what I get after running the code. A pop-up window will appear asking for selecting a source file. That is what file dialog and ask for open file name tkinter object do at first. This is now the window that appears after selecting testing file.